Hey guys, welcome back to Mackey's Garage. I know it's been a while since I've uploaded a video, but I got a brake light that I'm going to be replacing on my Silverado. The water is leaking through the third brake light, so I got this light here that I'm going to replace. And I'll show you what I mean. So as you can see, third brake light is allowing water to get in. That's all the way over here. And I couldn't figure out, I don't have a sunroof. I know you guys didn't see this truck yet on the channel, but apparently the brake light has a history of the gasket going bad on it. So I bought this light that I'm going to replace it with, and I'll show you how to do it. So you're going to need a T15 wrench, socket, whatever you want to call it. Put in here. It'll be kind of hard to do this with just one hand, but I'm going to try. I'm going to make sure I don't lose the screw. A little cold out today. You gotta be careful to take the slide out so you don't break it. No, this is probably not the best idea to do. I can't do this, so I have to hold on. Alright, so I got the light popped out here. I'll just pop it out. I got a plug here. I have to put you down, hold on. Alright, so I got a microfiber towel. Gonna wipe off the surface here. So you want to take this plug. I got this off of Amazon. So take this plug. Plug right in. And of course, before you put the screws back in, you want to make sure it's going to work. So, what do I do with my keys? to do with my keys? Oh, there they are. So this has a cargo light. So I'll turn that on. And it's working there. And gotta put the brake on, but I'm not sure how I'm gonna do that. Wonder if I could figure out a way to put this down. Probably not the most ideal way to do this, but if it works. Pretty genius. And that works. So we know it works. So now I can finish. So I want to put this light on, and these tabs right here are not lining up with these holes here. You can see that one lines up, that one's off. So probably gonna have to, don't really want to do this, but take a tab off or cut that down or something. So I don't have a Dremel, but my Dremel is this, side cutters. So I cut that piece there, get it to focus. I have to do the same thing probably on this side here. Hopefully that'll make it fit. Not real, professional, but I never said I was. I'm not a professional. So let's go see if this fits. Gotta take this manual Dremel with us. See if it works. And just like that, it's installed. Not really liking this too much of that gap. I don't know. It's got that rubber piece in there. I'm hoping it'll keep the water out. But I don't really like it sticking out that much. But it's gonna have to do for now. At least it works. You can see this is all waterlogged. The water all in there. But yeah, this piece, this must, I don't know if that the markings on there, that's been replaced before, but just seated up against the body, I don't know, it's got scratches on it, so I'm wondering if they've been in there before. I don't know. But if you want to know how to replace it, you know now. And probably going to change this later. But I'll do a video on this truck in the future. You know, it's just really cold in Pennsylvania. Crappy. But I wanted to get this fixed so I can get that inside cleaned up. So be sure to subscribe. Help me get to 1 million subscribers. Sorry it took so long for me to, upload another video. So, but hit that like, subscribe, and as you can tell, I'm still not good on being on camera, but it is what it is. So I'll see you next time.